Hey there, Ryan with Perforce here, and today I'd like to go over some of the new features that have been introduced into Helix DAM 2024.5. The first one I'd like to go over has to do with tag management. So previously, if I wanted to add tags to many assets at once, I would have to come through here and select individual assets and then go add tags, and I would be able to add tags to many items. However, you can see that even here with a subset of 27 items, this could be a tedious process to make sure that you're clicking and selecting every item individually. If this folder contained many more items or even subdirectories, you wouldn't be able to do all of that from this single view. So now in Helix DAM, if we wanted to add tags to every asset in a folder, we can actually step up one level to the folder level and select our options button here to add tags to all assets within this folder. Now, this will not only add tags to the assets in that folder level, but any subdirectories as well. So for this import directory, I can go ahead and say that these are FBX imports, and then go ahead and apply my tags. And that will go through and add that tag to all of our assets within this folder. So as you can see, this is a much easier way to handle tagging for many assets at once, quickly and effectively, to utilize the tagging system to help your teams find the assets that they're looking for quickly. Now, the next feature I'd like to talk about has to do with increased preview capabilities regarding GLB and GLTF file formats. So previously, Helix DAM would generate your thumbnails and previews for these assets, but you wouldn't be able to view those assets in 3D directly from the browser. So now with the latest release, any GLB or GLTF assets you may have in your Helix Core projects are now viewable through the browser, similar to our FBX support. So just as with our FBX assets, we're able to tumble around, see any applied textures, as well as change our animations if we need to view or comment on specific animations for a particular asset when communicating changes needed to other team members. On the note of collaboration, one other additional feature that's been added in this release has been the ability to link Helix DAM with Helix Plan through our new integrated Helix Plan webhook. To do this, I would come over to the links section, add link, and select my type of link. So here I can select my production Helix Plan server that we're running, and then do a quick search to find my task specifically. So here I've got one for creating this asset, and I can link this. And now this asset in Helix DAM is linked back to Helix Plan. So we'll be able to see our status from Plan, who it's assigned to, as well as any comments that come into Helix DAM here will be replicated over into Helix Plan. So that way you're able to see when movement is occurring on those assets from your planning view. So with that, that wraps up our main features that we've introduced in this revision, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.